So you might be in a position where you're getting this little pop-up up top where it says this Instagram story or this story is no longer available or this Instagram story is unavailable. Now, this can happen realistically for a few different reasons. The first thing, for the most part, is usually because you got into Instagram, right? And possibly, quite potentially, that specific story was saved in the background. And when you go ahead and actually go ahead to open it, that person either deleted that Instagram story and or that Instagram story was taken down because of some spam or, against policy reasons. That kind of stuff happens all of the time. So that is the number one reason why this ends up happening. So usually if you go into Instagram, right, you'll see at the very top, you'll see all these stories. Well, if you go ahead and load up a Instagram story, for example, so if I load up Kylie Jenner's or whatever, essentially, if I were to go ahead and hop out of it and I were to scroll through Instagram, and if I were to go back into it, I might get that pop-up if they deleted that story and it was saved in the cache of my Instagram app, or that story was taken down. Tons of things like that happen all the time. So that is the main reason. But there can also be some reasons where it's a widespread glitch, and it may not be just a you problem, it may be for everybody. And you can actually detect this by going to websites like downdetector.com or isitdown.com, some websites like that. I personally go to these websites all the time because they help out a lot. So you can go to one of these websites. You don't have to go to this one. This website has its own problems. So you can go to any other website and you want to search for Instagram. So you want to see if Instagram is usually one of the top ones. If Instagram's not like one or two, then it's probably not an Instagram problem. But if it is like number one or number two, well, that basically covers the issue. So find Instagram. As you can see, if it's something like this, if it says Instagram, but it has a massive spike like this one, as you can see, then that probably means Instagram has an issue. And all you're going to have to do is just wait until they fix it. You can also try updating your Instagram application. So you can go inside of your app store, you can find Instagram, and you can update that app. That is another thing you can do, but that kind of covers it up, If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll be so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.